Now, let's apply the sustainable growth rate, non-constant growth, the constant dividend discount model into this practice. And then we'll also calculate what is the expected rate of return based on the holding period return concept. Okay, the expected holding period rate of return. Better Mousetraps has come out with an improved product, and the world is beating a path to its door. As a result, the firm projects growth of 20% per year for 40 years. So, for 40 years, 20% is the constant growth rate. By then, other firms will have copycat technology. The competition will drive down profit margins, and the sustainable growth rate will fall to 5%. Now, we can expect that after 4 years, the company will grow 5% forever. The most recent annual dividend was dividend zero. You have to keep that in mind. It's not the dividend one. We have to multiple one plus growth rate when they use dividend one. Input a variable. We got 20%, 4 years, and then 5 years. 5% is it for the permanent growth rate and the dividend and discount rate, which is given number. Then let's get the discount, the dividend. So what are the expected values of dividend 1, 2, 3, and 4? So 2 here are the $1 times we have to use 1 plus, right? 1 plus initial growth rate for 4 years, right? And then after year, 1 year, we also put growth rate 20%. I want to just fix this cell so that we can just drag it down. Now I got those the dividend year 1, 2, 3, and 4. So each dividend. Letter B, if the discount rate is 10%, what is the expected stock value 4 years from now? What is this concept? Right, 4 years means, oh, you don't consider this the dividend. Dividend payment is just the past information. But the stock price in 4 years, we want to measure the horizontal value or terminal value at the end of year 4. So how do we get it? Right, from then on, we use this dividend times 1 plus. Now we use this 5% sustainable growth rate. And then divided by, now the discount rate 10% minus 5% once again. So $43.55 is not the current value, not the present value today, but right, that is the present value in year 4. Right? What is the stock value today? Then now we have to use, as you remember, the NPV function. NPV starting from this discounting rate. Then, okay, here, dividend 1, dividend 2, dividend 3. Those are the future cash flows. And then, once again, dividend 4 plus the last year. That is the future cash flow. What is this future cash flows? After year 4, year 5, year 6, and 7, forever, all the dividends are with the 5% sustainable growth rate, discounted by the 10% at the end of year 4. Then we get this, the terminal value or horizontal value. So this is also the cash flow, but it should be discounted by the 1 plus the discount rate 10% to the power of 4 once again. So we got it. Stock value today, discounting all the future cash flows, is 34.74. Then find the dividend yield. What is the dividend yield? Right, dividend yield today is 1.2. 1.2 divided by which one? Right, this is stock price, stock value today. So 3.45% for 5%. So the 10% is required rate of return, and 3.45 is dividend yield or income gain. So the difference between two, 6.55% is gonna be the gross, the investment yield, right? Then what will next year's stock value? What the next year's stock value? Now let's get this. That's the same equation, right? So same equation. Let's get this equation. Then I just want to remove this first year. So we started from the dividend 2, 3, and 4, and then also the stock price in year 4, the permanent value. So Excel is automatically considering this order. The value 1 is year 1 cash flow, year 2 cash flow. This plus 2 is the third year cash flows. It's automatically calculated with this 10% discount rate. So 37.01 is expected stock price at year 1, right? After 1 year, the stock rate expected stock price is 37.01. Then how do we calculate? Oh, we already got it. Okay, as you can see that the stock capital gain is the difference between two, right? Then what was the income gain, right? That is the dividend. Then what is the stock price today? Once again, 34.74. So the 10% is expected rate of return. It must be same as the discount rate because we have used this discount rate. Again, the interest rate has the different nickname depending on the different uses. If this interest rate is used to discount future cash flow, we say this is discount rate. If the discount rate is for the investments requirement, that is the required rate of return, right? If we use this rate for the expected rate of return, the expected return, then that is expected rate of return. If this rate has been used to calculate holding period rate of return for 1 year, that is the holding period rate of return. Okay. Yep, that's it. See you in the next video clip. Bye bye.